ये हमारी नृत्य की इनिशियल पोजीशन है, दिस वन. This is our Kathak dance position, and we have to keep our body very straight,
and spine also.
we have to keep our spine straight, body straight, और हम लोगों
See
को
there.
straight देखना. ये हमारी
शून्य में
position
देखते
है.
हैं, शून्य से सर्जना करते हैं. फिर
On and often when we are dancing, we use this wrist movement. How?
Like this.
1 2 3 4.
Ta
Hey,
say
hey, tat ah, hey. Hey, tat ta, hey. Hey, tat ah, hey. Hey, tat ta, hey. Tat ah, hey. Tat ta, hey. Tat ah, hey. Tat ta, tat ah, hey. Tat ta, hey. Tat ah, hey. Tat hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.